Given that this wave has come to India, I returned to India last month in order to assist in both building capacity for hospitals here as My name is Harmandeep Singh Boparai, also known as Harman. I am from Amritsar in Punjab, in India. And over the last 10 years or so, I've been in the United States, where I've been working mostly in New York. I did my training there at Weill Cornell Medical College and 2 fellowships in trauma and ICU. And in New York, I was on the front line during the first wave of the pandemic as it came to the United States. We were in the ICUs in Brooklyn, where we saw a lot in terms of the surge when we really did not know a lot about the virus. Given that this wave has come to India, I returned to India last month in order to assist in both building capacity for hospitals here as well. There is another pandemic of fear, which is justified given so much of what people are seeing on the news and happening in their cities, but it is something that we have to tackle as well. I would just say that take care of yourselves, develop a good, healthy lifestyle so that your immunity is higher, so that you can eventually be in a state where your body is able to resist many infections. And it's a difficult time for everyone, but we will get through this, and stay healthy, stay safe.
It's been an honor to be a part of such an initiative. Back then, we never thought that in a year we'll be where we are today. It was just an idea that 3 of us had, and just something that we were really motivated to do it ourselves.
The whole idea, the whole concept of Mission Milk started with a ration distribution drive that was started by our families, where we would, of course, collect ration, make packets ourselves and distribute it to the people that really need it. And when we actually went out to distribute one day, we actually had a group of these migrant workers, a group of really poor people, come up to us and say, hey, we actually really need help for our kids. Can you do something for them?
To start off with, we started off with North Bangalore. So that is something that is closer to us. So we thought that it is our responsibility to start off from these areas first in North Bangalore. So initially we distributed in areas around us, but then eventually last lockdown, we started finding areas which are remote in North Bangalore, like, Bellarli, Hegde Nagar, and then we have Tani Sandra, we have DJ Halli, and even reached out to South Bangalore as well with remote areas like Avalalli and Manchanalli.
Back then, we never thought that in a year we'll be where we are today. It was just an idea that 3 of us had, and just something that we were really motivated to do it ourselves. We made up our mind, and that was the whole thing. So looking back, seeing a year later where we are, it's amazing. It's a feeling which you can't really explain. It's so nice when you get messages and people have come and told us that, wow, you guys are doing such a good job. It's so nice that someone is focusing on the children, the future of this country. So
अगर वेजिटेबल में लगाऊं तो लोग घर से ज़्यादातर बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, मार्केट नहीं जाएंगे, मंडी इतना भी लोगों को जाना नहीं पड़ेगा। तो तभी मैंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, मुझे वेजिटेबल शॉप खोलना है, और उसके साथ साथ मुझे दवाई और ग्रोसरी और मिल्क वगैरह की भी होम डिलीवरी करवाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मार्च 21 के बाद जैसे जनता कर्फ्यू जारी किया गया, फिर उसके 2-4 दिन में मैंने देखा कि काफ़ी सारे मजदूर जो हमारे घर के पास एक था ट्रैफिक स्क्वायर, उसमें पास में बहुत सारे मजदूर डेली आके काम करने के लिए जाते थे। तो वो लोग बहुत सारे मुश्किल का झेलना पड़ा कि उनके पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं था, ना ही उनके पास पैसे थे, ना ही मतलब उसके पास वेजिटेबल फ्रूट्स या मतलब वो सब कुछ भी नहीं था। तो उन लोग को देखा, फिर उसके साथ साथ मेरे घर के पास में बहुत सारे सीनियर सिटीजन रहते थे, तो उन लोग को दवाई खाने के लिए भी बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि डॉक्टर के हिसाब से मतलब उनको जो प्रेस्क्रिप्शन और गाइड मिलता है उसके हिसाब से वो लोग फॉलो करते हैं, दवाई खाते हैं। फिर तभी मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, अगर राशन लेने से 1 महीना 1.5 महीना चल जाएगा, लेकिन अगर खाली राशन लेके इंसान करेगा क्या, इसको तो बना बना के नहीं खा सकता ना। तो फिर उसको मैंने सोचा अगर वेजिटेबल में लगाऊं तो लोग घर से ज़्यादातर बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, मार्केट नहीं जाएंगे, मंडी इतना भी लोगों को जाना नहीं पड़ेगा। तो तभी मैंने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं, मुझे वेजिटेबल शॉप खोलना है और उसके साथ साथ मुझे दवाई और ग्रोसरी और मिल्क वगैरह की भी मतलब होम डिलीवरी करवाना चाहिए, क्योंकि जितना हो सके लोगों को उतना घर पे रुकने के लिए मेरा मतलब यही था एम। उसके हिसाब से मैंने काम किया।
So the panic was super high in Mumbai, and this year something different was seen. The need was not of food but of oxygen. We supported almost now till date 7,000 individuals with oxygen seva. So we run Roti Ghar, that is a centralized kitchen based in 5 cities, which feed freshly cooked meal to the malnourished children. Then it is Roti Ghar for animals. We feed around 800 to 900 stray animals. I have Home for Paws, that is a shelter home for abandoned and ill dogs. I have my own manufacturing setup of sanitary pads, eco-friendly sanitary pads. So we manufacture around 35,000 sanitary pads, cotton-based ones. We are into a water project where we provide drinking water to the areas actually where we conduct our regular sessions, so that the kids don't go far away to fetch water, instead they can study. I always say one thing whenever I am talking to someone, that is, इंसान बनो, सबसे ज़्यादा स्कोप इसी में। We created one WhatsApp group. अब बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए। तो उस वक्त शायद उस ग्रुप में करीब मेरे पास जो भी है 300 जन हो जो अननोन नंबर पे, उन सबको ऐड ऑन किया। जैसे वो ग्रुप बनाया 27 की नाइट की बात है, तो आई 53 ऑर्डर द मोमेंट आई क्रिएटेड दैट ग्रुप। I got a curfew pass at the time, being a retail guy, and what we call the pass is like you can go anywhere where you want to go. The moment I ask for pass, ये काम आप कर रहे हो, तो आप ये करके करीब 1000 से 2000 से 5,000 लोगों को घर में रहने के लिए बोल रहे हो। So it's better कि आप जितना चाहिए आप कर लो, कि आपको जहाँ जाना है चलो। woke up at 4 o'clock, 6 बजे के करीब मॉल ओपन हुआ था, इतना मटीरियल था, सब पिक ऑन किया, गाड़ी में डाला, जैसे डाला घर लेके आया, तो 53 को अलग अलग सेग्रीगेट कर देना, 53 जनों को ऑर्डर दे देना। So I feel like people are not treating me as a delivery boy. You do good and you get lots of better for sure. Khana Chahiye started as a citizen movement last year. There were like thousands of people without food. We started collecting demand and campaign kind of grew. Started crowdfunding, and this was done by not as an organization or something. We've been able to kind of create this network of good people. What we thought was giving food is not the only solution. The demand is like double of what we thought, right? We feel very satisfied that at the end of the day we've at least been able to reduce the suffering